Today we will study about highest common factor HCF. What is HCF? What is highest common factor? The HCF or highest common factor of two or more than two numbers would be that highest number which completely divide the given numbers. Example, here are three numbers 4, 8 and 12. The highest common factor of these three numbers will be 4 because 4 completely divide 4, 8 and 12. So the highest common factor of these numbers will be 4. Methods to find out HCF, highest common factor. There are two methods to find out HCF. First, division method, and second is factor method. First of all, we will discuss about division method. Division method, these are three numbers 12, 18 and 24, and by division number we have to find out HCF. Now first of all we will select two numbers 12 and 18 and we will divide 18 by 12. 18 by 12 we will divide and then remainder will be 6. Now 12 will be divided by 6 and it will be completely divided. Here 6 is remainder and it will divide 12 completely. There is no remainder. Now we will divide 24 by 6 and here 6 divide completely 24, there is no remainder. So here the HCF, highest common factor of these three numbers will be 6. Now we will apply factor method to find out HCF of these three numbers 12, 18 and 24. In this method, factor method, first of all we have to find out multiples of these numbers 12, 18 and 24. These are multiples of these numbers. 12, the multiples of 12 are 2 into 2 into 3. The multiples of 18 are 2 into 3 into 3. The multiples of 24 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. These are multiples of these numbers. Now to find out HCF of these numbers, we have to choose common numbers from these factors. So then common numbers of these factors are 2 and 3 because 2 is found in every factor 2, 2, 2, and 3 is also found in every factor 3, 3, 3. So 2 and 3 are the common numbers. The HCF will be 2 into 3 is equal to 6. So the highest common factor will be 6. So we can find out the HCF by division method and by factor method, and the result will be same. Here is HCF is 6 and here HCF is 6. So these both methods are easy to find out HCF.